Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a couple things I want to share with you guys. I went to Target and Dollar Tree and I found a few things. So I went to Target looking for this heart and hand wreath, but they didn't have the wreath, but they had this garland. So I'm gonna turn this garland into a wreath. So that is the quick tutorial for today in this video. Okay, and then at Target I also picked up these lotions. There's currently a promotion online on their website right now. Spend $30 and get $10 off, and after coupons and everything I pay probably $1.60 each for these. These are normally $4.99 to $5.49, depends on your location. And I'm going to use these as Christmas teacher's gift for my kiddos. They have 4 teachers, 2 each. So in each gift bag, I included 1 lotion. This gift bag is from Dollar Tree. Isn't it pretty? Anyway, so in each gift bag, I included a bottle of lotion and this mug. You guys remember this mug? It's from Hobby Lobby. So each gift turned out to be around $4-ish per gift. And then another item I found at Target was these Disney Playland, Paw Patrol, and Frozen. Okay, so these were like hidden clearance. It wasn't marked or tagged. Originally they're $29.99, but they are $8.99. I found 2 Frozen and 4 Paw Patrol. These will make great Christmas gift for your friends or family that have little ones. Okay, and then from Dollar Tree I picked up a few of these items, a few of these tongs, and a spatula. These are the mini ones, and you guys, the rubber part right here, it is soft, not like the hard kind that they have at Dollar Tree. Okay, and it's pretty heavy, so it's really great quality in my opinion. They must be new because I found like boxes and boxes of them still full with these. Okay, and look at all these colors that it comes in. It comes in like a set. It's so cute. You can get a spoon, spatula, you know, tongs, and all great colors. And then I also picked up this willow wreath. It's 12-inch. I don't know, there's something different about this one than the other kind. I like it a lot. It's so pretty. Okay, and so that is all that I got. Oh, and the lotion, I forgot to mention, I got 12 of these, so 4 is gonna go to my kiddos teacher's gift bag, so I have 8 left. Okay, and here is my quick tutorial on turning this garland into a wreath. I hope you enjoy. Here you go.